Southern Kenton County, Northern Bracken County, Campbell County, Northeastern Pendleton County, Southern Claremont County, West Central Brown County, until 8 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Claryville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Covington, Independence, Alexandria, Taylor Mill, Claryville, Amelia, Mount Orab, Wilder, Bethel, New Richmond, Augusta, Felicity, Cold Spring, Ryland Heights, Hammersville, Higginsport, Mentor, Moscow, Fairview and Neville.